Nag-usap kami kahapon, lumaba ko siya. Sabi ko either surrender or arrest. Sabi nga pag-iisipin niya raw, ang concern niya ay yung tuhod niya na kailangan ng knee replacement. So sabi ko, hindi naman namin hindi namin it's beyond our jurisdiction. So sasabihin na siya magkakaroon. So wala na kami masasabing iba, hintayin na lang namin ang sabihin ng sandigan before we issue an arrest. Before we execute an arrest.
Sir, linawin na po namin siya po yung lumapit sa inyo. Kayo
Hindi ako tumawag sa kanya. Ako yung tumawag sa kanya. Student. Maybe at around 4 p.m. yesterday.
Ano pong desisyon niya?
Wala siyang decision. Sabi ko, salamat lang. Nag-iisipan niya lang tao.
Sir, assurance na no VIP treatment.
Well, usual. Pakita niyo naman una yung arresto namin. Lahat sila doon sa para special treatment doon. Kung ang aircon, so,
Makakasama po ba niya sa selda si Senator Bong
no,
Revilla?
no, it's up to the warden.
Pero apparently, dun sa hinihiling niya, he wants a hospital arrest.
Hindi, ang gagawin ko lang, ang concern niya yung tuhod niya. So, it's up to the Sandigan's appreciation to bibigay sa kanila.
Oo. Pero kasi when Rafi talked to him yesterday, he said that he will surrender kasi wala naman daw siya magagawa.
That's right.
So is it going to be surrender or will you arrest him?
Either way, I think most probably surrender.
And personally,
After after the third time, this is the third time,
Yeah.
sanay na naman siya na kung anong gagawin.
If it's going to be surrender, ano niyo pa po ba siya? I-handcuffs?
We
Hindi
will
na.
do according to procedure.
Which is what?
We will process him, and if he surrenders to wherever he surrenders, we will process him, take his picture, medical, all his records, and then we will certify him fit for trial, and then papadala siya sa sandigan to be surrendered to the proper